A seagull. He came back. Where you going, Mr. Seagull? Come back and get some food. Mr. Seagull. Look, there he is. See him? Right there. Right there. I see him. See him, I see him. It's hard to follow him with the camera. Okay, we're gonna go back. Where'd he go? Maybe if I got into my dad's truck, I could, maybe, not scare him away. I think that's a good idea. Let's get into his truck. Okay, we're getting into my dad's truck. Okay, we're in my dad's truck. Okay, I'm gonna, I don't know. Okay, here we go. I'm not seeing it anymore. Nope. I think he's gone. Shoot. I think I scared him